Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called the last 10 days of the year of 2022. So this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY home decor, that's myself. It's also being hosted by Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle and The Robin's Nest by Terry. I'm going to be linking our channel links down below in the description box along with the playlist. So make sure guys and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to the playlist to see what we did in the last 10 days of 2022. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now remember that full watching the video and clicking that like button helps me to grow. And comment below because I would love to hear from you. Okay, so this is a special video today that I decided to do for my son's girlfriend. And her name is Jamie, and my son's name, well, we've always called him the Code Man. Now, I've never met Jamie, and my son has gone away to go see her, so I thought I'd send them off with this special candle that I handmade. So, I found this ornament jar. So let's start there. I thought that was absolutely beautiful, and then I decided to get some of those pillar candles and try to create a Christmas candle for her in peppermint essence. Now, as you can see here, I melted the candles already and I brought them over to the table. And then I thought it would be nice to mix in the green glitter, but even though I was mixing it around, you can see that it settled to the bottom, which is fine, but I would have preferred it to stay floating, but we'll just keep on moving along here. So what I did is I melted the candle and we took the wick out. So we're gonna use those, we're not gonna waste anything. And then we're going to take the top off of this and we're going to start getting ready to layer this candle all the way to the top. Now what we want to do is we want to put hot glue at the end of that candle wick, and then we want to stick it to the bottom of that jar, and that's what I'm doing here. I want to hold the candle wick in the center of that jar until that glue hardens. So what I just did is just wrapped it around that paintbrush. That's perfectly fine because that's all I had on hand. Then we're going to start pouring the candle wax inside of the candle layer by layer. And I'm trying to get as much as the glitter as possible because I think that's so pretty. Now I poured 2 of those pillar candle wax into the jar, and of course we had to wait for that to harden. Now we move on to the next step. Now I wanted to have some more green glitter, and I thought I'd drop in some of those candy canes inside the middle of this candle before continuing on to the next step. Now be careful what it is that you drop inside the candle wax because you don't want a big fire. So let's move over to making a bow while that candle wax is setting. Now the Dollar Tree is carrying this candy cane ribbon. I absolutely love this ribbon. So if you see it, guys, you need to grab it because everything now is candy cane. Now I'm grabbing the lid, the bow is ready, and we're going to go ahead and hot glue it to the top of that lid, and then we're going to embellish the center, and we're pretty much done with this part. Now you know I'm not happy unless I'm adding a little bit of bling somewhere. Okay, so I think now it's time for me to get some more of that candle wax so we can go ahead and keep layering this. Okay, so now we wait a little bit for that handle to harden, and here we go. I hope you enjoyed the Christmas gift as much as I enjoyed making it. Merry Christmas, Jamie and Cody, and from my family to yours, I wish you a prosperous new year. I love you guys. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.